It's motorcycle season again, and I'm gonna top off the battery. I'm gonna show you how to access the battery on this FXBB Street Bob and charge up. On the side panel here, there are 2 screws. I've already removed one. You just need an Allen wrench, hex key, however you want to call it, and then you can remove this one as well. The battery hides beneath this shell. Now those 2 bolts, there's a grommet that holds it, so you can just pull it out of that grommet, and there's your battery. Okay, now that we have the battery cover off, you can see the battery. This is the negative. You can see the red back in there for the positive. Now, this is a trick. Well, first a note. 1, it's difficult to get to that red terminal to charge it. I'm gonna show you a trick and a couple ways you can do this. One way you can do this is you can actually just take out the battery and charge it separately. You can take out these pads, you pull it out, there you go. I find that to be a hassle. For me, then reaching back there, you know, these are my alligator clips. Reaching back there, it just isn't gonna happen. This doesn't fit back there to be able to grab it and turn it and all that stuff. I have some smaller ones that I've sometimes prodded back there and then I clip onto it separately. Or next time you take your battery out, you could put a battery tender or some other leads on there. That would be really handy. But what I do is the main power lead that's red back there actually pulls around to the starter motor. Here's your starter motor. And I took off the rubber grommet here and I put my power, my positive on it and my negative right here. And this then uses that wire to feed back into the battery. So I can do it without having to take it out. Before I start that, here, I'll even show you on the voltmeter here. So, no significant voltage, that's in millivolts right there. So if I touch the negative here to the positive back there. Here, I'll try to not knock it over. It's cramped spaces, like I was saying. There. My battery's at 12.6, basically 12.7. Not bad. I'm gonna put the charger on it anyway. It's a smart one. If I take this off and I put it now instead on that connector to the starter that I can get to, 12.9, just like before here. I don't know if you can, how can I make you see all that? Here. There, 12.69. So, if I attach my positive lead here, my negative lead here, it is just like I'm charging the battery and I don't have to take it out of the Harley and I can get it all done. And that's what I'm gonna do. I hope that tip helps you out. I know it helped me. Okay, and there we go. Got the battery charger hooked up, positive to the positive terminal on the starter motor, negative to the battery. You can put that on another ground as well. And I've got my battery charger. Give it just a nice top off before I start the season. And there we go. It charged it for about, I don't know, 5 hours on that slow trickle. And now it's full just by sending it through the starter coil. Well, the wire that's attached to the starter.